Talofa Fresh. I'm Tana.
I'm Kanape.
I'm Avina.
I'm Henny.
And I'm Snow. And we are...
Tomorrow People.
Today we'll be hosting Fresh right from our little retreat here at Waikanae Beach, Wellington.
So, Freshies, let's go and check out what's coming up on the rest of the show.
Okay.
You can do this. You can all do this. Do this, please. Okay, ready? Are we ready?
Yes, the open-style housing are very practical due to the climatic conditions that Samoa possesses. This is because the approximate location...
Yeah. Everyone knows that the Samoan sun is very hot and humid.
Bros, what's the freshest thing that's happened to us on tour?
Remember that time that we did that show in Tahiti and you were about to play guitar solo? This guy comes out, starts playing his guitar solo, his lead falls out, and he thinks that nobody noticed and he kept playing. Everyone was picking up. And we're like, so you did one of those spins. Like the string again. Okay, guys.
Well, right about now, we're going to go to one of our favourite game shows. How fresh are you?
Talofa and welcome to another show of How Fresh Are You? I'm your host, Nessie, and I'm really excited because, again, we've got another day with amazing singers. To my left, we've got the beautiful Bella Kololo and Luana Pereira Dynan. Okay, girls, what's your group's name?
We're called the Mamacitas.
The Mamacitas, let's give them a hand. Awesome. And to my right, we have the handsome Donald McNulty and Champao Lelisi. No, you're under the handsome umbrella as well.
Okay.
And what's the group called?
Brown Mambas.
Brown Mumbers. Let's hear it for Brown Mumbers.
Let's go.
Okay, guys. Now it's time to play our first game, Rapid Fire. First question. How many stars are on the Cook Island flag?
50. 50.
50? That is incorrect.
Oh, no, 15, sorry.
Girls,
15?
how did you guess that?
Well,
Has that got anything to do with the fact that Donald...
just
Actually-
about 10%.
Well, there you have it. The girls on the board with 100 points. Well done.
Good. They needed that one. They needed that one. Gentlemen.
What group of Micronesian islands was used by the United States for nuclear testing? Yes.
Marshall Islands.
Marshall Islands is correct. Well done.
What the?
Excellent.
How did you know that?
I turned up to school that day.
Excellent. Well, the Mamacitas are on 200. If you find yourself in Mahina, which island would you be in? Like...
Hawaii.
Hawaii is incorrect, but very close. But let's just say it makes me want to move my hips. Yep. Yes, Champao?
Tahiti.
Tahiti is correct. Oh! Well done. Well done to the Brown Mumbers.
Malo Panmamba.
Next question. How many groups of islands make up French Polynesia? Yes, Mamacitas.
7.
Incorrect.
3.
I think the closest was your answer.
8.
Yes. No, I'm sorry. That is not right. But she pressed the buzzer again, yes. Okay. She pressed the buzzer and it is 6. Well done, girls.
6.
She got it. Okay, guys, that takes the Mamacitas to 500 points and the Brown Mumbers at 200. Well done, guys. Nearly there. It's anybody's game. Okay, guys, let's go to the next game, The Voice. Okay, guys, in this game, we'll play a voice and you tell us who it belongs to. Have a listen to this.
I was born in a very low-income housing called Rewanka. You have to do...
Do we
have a little bit more?
Yes, you can have a little bit more.
Thanks.
Here we go.
Called Rewanka. You have to do humbling things like going next door and asking for salt or sugar. Like...
Okay, Donald?
Fiji.
The answer is correct.
Oh, yeah, that was really good.
That was amazing.
Yeah, amazing.
Right, now it's time to hear the next voice.
K-Road has always been a favourite for me and my mates, but you can always make it fresher, so we're taking over the block. This is how we keep it fresh.
Jesby?
Yeah, Jesby.
I'm sorry, but you're absolutely right. All right, guys, we've got 2 more voices to go. Hit it.
You must. The ocean chose you.
Oh, that was a tie.
Was it Rachel House?
Rachel House.
The answer is correct. You know what? I'm just going to have to split it between the 2.
Yeah. Right,
Okay.
good call. Good
Okay,
judging.
yeah.
Great, thank
Split
you.
between the 2.
Appreciate your grace.
You get, 100 each. Yeah, 100 each. This is the last voice. Whoever takes this triples their points.
Wins everything.
Wins everything, mate. Okay, you can do this. You can all do this. Do this, please. Okay, ready? Are we ready, guys? Okay, and here's the last voice.
Opportunity arose at Kura to be a part of Shakespeare.
Yes!
TK from Deadlands.
TK from Deadlands, and his full name is?
Te Kohe from Deadlands.
Don't know yet.
Yeah. TK from Deadlands. There we go. Well done, boys. Well, girls. Hard luck, but the boys got there in the end and tripled their points, taking them to, who cares? They've won the game. Well done. Okay, boys, come get your prize packs, a couple of T-shirts and a couple of vouchers. Well done, congratulations.
Hello.
Okay, guys, that's us. Tune in next time for another episode of How Fresh Are You? Yeah. Well done.
Stand right by my side in love forever. Hold on right there, freshies. We'll be right back. Make sure you grab yourself a cup of tea and a couple of biscuits, and we'll be back after this break.
When I step on the dirt, I don't know this am I.
Tomorrow People started about 10 years ago. We put some demos together, threw it up online, and it kind of blew up.
Trying to play me like a final when the needle drops down. Spinning me around and around, but not now.
Aloha ni, and welcome back to Fresh. We are Tomorrow People, and this is our world.
And if you want it, girl, you can. It's alright. 'Cause I'd rather be where ain't no cameras, only action. You in tight, no distractions,
Tomorrow People are a band of 7. There's 5 of us here, but there's a couple missing. Our sister Tearanga, who's Auckland-based, and our brother on the drums, Dwayne. We've been together for almost 10 years now.
She can't stay, now he don't know what she do.
Shout out to our sister Hamel, who's just recently given birth to a beautiful boy. Hence the reason why we've got our sister Tearanga, who's taken over. She came about winning a competition that we had run with My FM.
She don't know what to do.
Tomorrow People started about 10 years ago. We were just a group of friends and we started jamming together. We put some demos together, threw it up online, and back then, that was when YouTube had just kind of started. It kind of blew up, and then we thought to ourselves that we should put a band together and start playing it live. Well, and over the past 10 years, we've evolved and we've had members come in, members go out, but we've always tried to stay true to the sound. So the Tomorrow People sound, we like to describe it as sunshine reggae, but it's kind of a cross between Hawaiian style reggae, easy listening, lovers rock, and mix it in with the Aotearoa roots reggae sounds. For us coming from Wellington, we like to just do our own mashup and just combine it together.
If you take the time to see, then you can surely guarantee that it's only me thinking of you.
Some of the highlights for the band, I guess, we've had the opportunity to collaborate with many artists. Most recently, our collaboration with Fiji.
he's definitely been one of the idols that I sort of grew up listening to, and just to be able to be part of Tomorrow People and release a song with BG himself, it was amazing.
My biggest highlight was probably playing in Las Vegas.
Oh.
You know, we never thought that music would be able to take us to some of these places that we've never been to before. It's a blessing for us that we're there to work, but we're there to enjoy the place and have a look around as well.
Saying we've been to heaps of different places, and I think we truly believe that music is the universal language. So we've been to Tahiti, the likes of Tahiti, and where people don't speak English, and when they sing back to you a song that you've written, you read you word for word, it's really fuzzy feelings.
Well, they do speak English, but it's just not their first language.
Sorry. When we first started, we thought the big break was going to be achieving that first major performance, whether it be a 20,000 plus festival. But I think the biggest thing for us is when we get stories, when people message us and say our songs really saved them. For example, our Feel Alright's the Better Places, you know? I think that's when we feel like, wow, we're really serving a purpose. No, but seriously, but seriously, yeah, pretty humbling to get those stories.
This song is called Aotearoa. Sounds really local. All right.
For the song Don't Wanna Fight It, we decided to do a trilingual release. So we did the actual song itself, and then we translated it into Te Reo Māori, and we did a version in Samoan. Because our band is made up of different ethnicities, so we wanted to reach out and celebrate the different ethnicities within the band. And we are so glad that that people embraced it, and it was a huge success for us.
Brothers and sisters, thank you so much.
Your Honor, my name is Tiana, and this is the way to drum like a Tahitian boss. I started drumming at the age of 9 because I noticed that there were no Wahine or female drummers, and that's exactly why I wanted to start drumming, and I haven't stopped since. For me, I think what's special about the Tahitian drumming is because it's the heartbeat of the Ori Tahiti. It's the heartbeat of the dance, of the whole ensemble. And we have developed different parts, as in mua, ropu, and muri, to accommodate these traditional beats so that they can evolve with time. Here's a little introduction to Tahitian drumming. The very first beat, or pehe, that we learned is called pahai. Toma. That would accompany typically the dancers to enter the stage. You can consider that the A of the alphabet. It's your very first letter, the pehe. Number 2, the second beat that we learn in Tahitian drumming that I was taught is pa'el. Again. Hey. We typically use that a lot in the art of freestyle with Ori Tahiti. And it's comprised of two different parts, which was a fast and a slow part. And the dancers are able to show off their ability to identify the pehe. Number 3, hiria, hiria, hiri, ha, 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 hiria, hiria, hiri, ha, ha, ha. That we use for the ending of a solo or the ending of a group dance called the paoa. And it's just the percussive phonetic sounds that we use to accompany the instruments using our voice. And the dancers typically go to like an older style of dance. And then at the end you have the napoko, which signifies the ending or the closing of a routine. Now that you know a little something about the basic Tahitian drumming, if you get a chance, give it a go.
Time for another quick break, Freshies.
Make sure you come back some fish funnies.
When it's come to bedtime in the Whare Samoa, sometimes you don't have a luxury of have a big queen size, king size. Sometimes you just have the family size.
Kia ora, ano kazis. You are keeping it fresh with us,
Tomorrow people.
Now he don't know what she do.
And we've come to that part of the show that everybody loves. It's time for some fresh funnies.
Talofa lava, my name is John.
And my name is Semisi.
And together we are Semisi and John.
Joseph.
Oi, Joseph.
Oh.
Today we're going to give you a little introduction on the Samoan village life.
Yes, if this is your first time here at the motherland,
And you know you're going to be staying in a village out in the Quabags.
there are a few tips that you need to know to help you stay in the beautiful Kauai of Samoa, thebomb.com.
When you enter the village, the first thing you might notice is the Samoan houses, or the Whare Samoa.
Yes, the open-style housing are very practical due to the climatic conditions that Samoa possesses. This is because the approximate location...
Yeah. Everyone know that the Samoan sun is very hot and humid. But know this, all the houses are open here. So what's my business is my business. And what's your business is his business. That guy over there's business, hers, him, the dog, that girl over there, your cousin, everyone's business.
Wow.
Hey, mother brother, just mind your business. When it's come to bedtime in the Whare Samoa, sometimes you don't have a luxury of have a big queen size, king size. Sometimes you just have the family size. Basically, it's the whole floor. It's your bed.
But if you're lucky, they might have a bed just for you, like this one.
Oh, it's
Really? I don't say my bed.
No, this is my bed.
Ska, lunga nga, brother.
Oh.
Yeah, look.
Okay, these are pillows. Oh.
But seriously, sleeping in an open whale is awesome. It's probably the best experience you'll ever have in village life.
And this is some other option for your sleeping arrangement when you come and sleep in the Whare Samoa. It's a fala, this fala or that fala. Do you know that fala? Yeah. Yeah, anyway. You know, it's very beautiful here, lying in the Whare Samoa. You have a nice little breezing coming through this side, and over that side you can look at the road and you see everyone's walking by, you know, they're having their little whaikakala. And you whaikakala to them while they whaikakala to each other. You've got a flat screen TV all the way around. It's a panoramic. It's not just a bedroom, that's our other thing, hey?
It's a laundry room, it's a sitting room, it's a lying room, and it's a kitchen.
So once dinner ready, yeah, and you sit up. Yeah, thank you, and eat your food like this. Yeah, thank you, I'm finished, and then go back to sleep. When visiting your family in the village, bringing some goodies along is always a must, but not always expected. It's a nice little gesture for those family and friends you may not have seen for a little while.
It can be something as simple as coffee, tea, lollies. More lollies.
It's something as simple as a loaf of bread or some loaves of bread, some chippies,
some cloves,
some canned food, maybe a paelengi or something. We make some falaeling. Yum.
Ooh, yum.
So yeah, those are some nice little goodies you can bring when you see your family. I think Auntie's waiting for us, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go. Hello. Hello, Auntie.
Mau béo à mày mà đáp à ini mak masih siap main ku aku main kan file mai ka ku fil wa ya fa tin dia lah ba.
Thanks for watching.
Hey Freshies, we've come to the end of our show now. Thanks for chilling out with us tomorrow, people, here at Waikanae Beach.
We appreciate all the love that you've been sending through. If you want to follow our journey, make sure you follow us at Tomorrow PPL.
And no matter what you get up to for the rest of the week, keep it fresh!
Kia ora, my name is Bella Kalolo. I'm Luana Pereira Dinan. Next week, we'll be bringing the blues, a little bit of jazz, the rhythm, and also the soul. And we'll be bringing some laughs.
Mom said hurry up and finish cooking.